Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and today I have some Happy Mail, and this Happy Mail is from Wendy, who is glued with love. Look at this cute little card, and on the back says, "Happy birthday, Lacey, love Wendy, glued with love." So we have some birthday, and it's wrapped so cute, so I'm gonna just take this out. Let's see what we got in the box. Oh, she's got some goodies in here. Ooh, what is this? Look at this. Ooh, she's got such pretty little shred in here, and some goodies that she's made. All right, I think that's it. But in the box, oops, we have this Sugar Rush lotion. I have never seen this. What's it smell like? Is it a safety seal? Ooh. As usual. It's everything gonna give me a hard time. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like candy for sure. Like a berry, like berry candy, if that makes sense. But look how cute the packaging is. That is so cute. And we have some charms. I do like me some charms, so I can make some stuff. Oh, she's put this in like a little wax melt little container. How cute is that? We have a little bit of everything in here. We have some flip-flops, some little heart locks, some smiley faces, some cherries, some alphas. Look at these little dice. Such cute little mix. I think there's there's seed beads. There's just like a little bit of everything in there. Look at them. I don't have any blue alphas, so that'll be fun. Oh, there's some like, I call these like Smarty beads. They're like Hishis, but they're fatter. And then she's got this pretty little pokey tool in here that she's made. Love her little packaging. Look at this. So cute. Look how fun that is. That's pretty. And then we have another little thing over here. Look at this bear on here. Look at this, like, sugar bear, kind of. Like, I don't know how to explain him other than it looks like he's covered with sugar, which is like little caviar beads. And then here we have a little keychain. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. The bottom came up. Bottom's in the bag. So I'll put that on. How cute, though. It says, "I love you." That is adorable. So we'll fix that. And then, what do we have here? What has she made? Oh, so cute. Look at her little birthday box. It says, "Hey, Sugar, I love these little gummy bears." These are made out of resin, so I don't know if she made those herself or she purchased them, but she's got this big old yarn pom-pom on the top of the little birthday hat. And she's got a little wood veneer, like little crafters marks. Those are cute. I need to do those. I have a laser printer, but do you think I've used it? No. So in here we have some little socks, and they look like cupcakes. How cute are those? And she's gifted some beads. And look at, oh, she's put little, she's used, so this is a kissing booth from Scrap Diva, and inside she's put little sequin mixes, but she's put them in little lip gloss tubes, so it'll sit in there like this. How stinking cute is that? That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Wendy. Wendy's on Scrap Diva design team with me. She's in a book club with me, and this is such a good use of, like, when you're making stuff for a design team, like you have lots of stuff that you have to get rid of it. And she's just turned all hers into like some birthday happy mail, which is perfect. Thank you so much, Wendy, for thinking of me. And all the fun little treats in here. I'm gonna have so much fun with it. So please give Wendy some crafty love. She is really inspiring and she is so funny and so friendly and so caring. So give her some crafty love. And yes, thank you for the birthday box. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.